am I going to do a video? And whenever I get bored, I will always do spirograph. I always do a spirograph. So I have this board with a spirograph stuff, and here's my spirograph box. So I will open it up. I have spirograph pens that I would need. So now I will use. Let's start, guys. Like this.
I missed it.
You better watch out. So I will do like this here. Should I do like this? There's like a cute puppy over there outside. It's so cute. This is how my flower turned like. So now I'll use the big one. Oh, there's like a cute dog running so fast. Wow. This one is the smallest one I could see here. Wow. So I got the last one. In this one, I would use two color, red and blue. So let me start with the red. Let me go with the red. Okay. This is how it looks like, and hope you like it. And like, subscribe, and press the bell button. And whenever I get bored, I do this, and it just comes like this. So hope you like my video, and like, subscribe, and press the bell button. And until then, bye.